Hello friends, myself Nick Soni and this is my project 3 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So this is the mail project for CS50. So let's see first requirements. So this is the all requirements. So first is send mail. So first of all, uh, let's log in. After login, we can see the inbox. So for sending mail, I'm going to going into compose and sending mail to the Harry. So new mail from us, new mail, and this is the body. So I am sending this mail to the Harry. After submitting, it will redirect to the send inbox. So this is the new mail that I had sent to the Harry, and this is the new mail of the 12 p.m. and let's see the Harry account. So this is the Harry account. So let's see second requirement, mailbox. If there is an unread email, so it will show the white background, otherwise it will show gray background. So this is not read A, so this is white background and this is read A, so this is the gray background. So first let's see email, like view email. So after clicking on the mail, we can see the details of the mail and the body and the subject. So this is the view email requirement. Then the archive and unarchive. So if I archive this email and go to the inbox, it will remove and it will move to the archive in mailbox. So if I click on it, so and if I unarchive this, so it will redirect to the inbox. So you can see, and mail came into inbox. So last requirement is replay. So for this mail I am going to replay. So I am going to reply this mail. Okay. So I am going to submit it. So you can see the send inbox. So I reply this mail. So if I go to the Rus account, then I will get the reply email. So we can see this reply email that I received from the Harry. So that's it. This is my project 3 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript, and all requirements are here. Thank you.